Namaskaram. Today I am going to teach you a keertanam on Lord Shiva, Kapalini Dayanidhi. This is set to Ragam Palini and Taalam Adi. And the composer of this music song is Lalita Shivakumar, and I am trying to set the steps on this. And my name is Utsha Ghosh Kundu, as you know. Okay, so I would like to tell you here that Shiva's is also called Kapali because once, according to the mythology, once Shiva cut Brahma's fifth head and he was cursed that he will beg until the sin is over with the skull of on his hand. Brahma's the head which he has cut, he will take that skull on his hand and he will beg and reach to Varanasi, and then only his sin will be removed. So on that story, because of that incident, Shiva is called Kapali. Okay, so he on his hand he will be holding Brahma Kapalam, that is like fifth head of Brahma. So that is another form of Shiva. So here we are saying Kapalini Dayanidhi. Kapalini is you. Kapali, ni is you. So you are Kapali. Dayanidhi, you are very much merciful. You are like treasure of daya, compassion or mercy. Umapati is you are the husband of Parvati or Uma. Tunei Varuvai. Tunei Varuvai means you come along with me for my protection. Tunei means the protector. Varuvai is please come along with me. So this is the meaning of the first line, which is Pallavi. So let's start and I will teach you the first hand of this. Okay. First I will be using this hand as Kapalini, holding the skull, that upper portion of skull as a bowl, that bhiksha bowl. 1, 2, 3, start. Kapalini Dayanidhi Umapati Tunei Varuvai. Kapalini Dayanidhi Umapati Tunei Varuvai. I'll show you the hastas for it. This is Kapalini, like this, and this hand is Dola. Kapalini. This is Nataraja pose, Shiva's Nataraja pose. Dayanidhi, from Mukula to Alapadma. Dayanidhi. Uma. This is the hand for Parvati or Uma. Uma Pati means Uma got married to the man who is Shiva. Uma got married to the man Shiva. Pati, for protection, please come to me. This is the first hand, and you can repeat this hand twice. Okay, next hand, second hand, I will show you. 1, 2, 3, start. Kapalini Dayanidhi Umapati Tunei Varuvai. Kapalini Dayanidhi Umapati Tunei Varuvai. I will show you the hands here. As you know that this is the Brahma Kapalam we are showing. Kapalini Dayanidhi nidhi. Same hand from Mukula to Alapadma. Here this is the hasta for girls, okay, the female. So we are showing that Uma Pati. This is the hasta for hero or husband. Pati, who is embracing the girl. Pati. Tune, you for protection. Please come to me. So this is the second hand.